beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have another makeup look for you all. This is a Valentine inspired makeup look. Valentine is all about the flighty look, you know, so I decided to do this look for you all. The curly hair, you guys, it's so flighty as well. So my hair is from Tonya hair. Well, it's a bundle. They came in bundles, but I colored the hair, made the wig. It's a frontal. Okay, so I'm gonna show you all how I installed the frontal as well in this video. I just did this lipstick to go with the hair, the eyes, and the overall flighty look. Okay, so my hair is a frontal. Look at that, so natural. Anywhere you part it, it looks natural. Okay, so yeah, but if you want to create a part, you just apply water here. So that's what I did, just apply a little bit of water just so it lays here. That's why I don't want to ruin my hair, because if you want to get it this flat here, you have to apply water on the part that you want to create the parts, if you don't want it looking messy. Okay, yeah, so let me show you all the shadows that I use in this video. Trim money, and I use the black here for this black that you can see there. Then I use the Swan from Juvia's palette. So this is the Masquerade palette. I use this one. It's called Casablanca, and that's the one I have here. Okay, that's the orangey, goldish, bronzy look. Okay, and I use this, a bit of this and a bit of that as well. So Zulu and Ada, yeah, that one. So I use this one as well for the highlighter. Okay, popping. You know why I love this highlighter? It looks like the Fenty Beauty highlighter because it's so bright yellowish. So I use that for my highlighter. Popping. Okay, so you all, I'm gonna show you all the video. The stick I used on this video is Salem from Lime Crime. Okay, yeah, it's a liquid lipstick. Okay, and yep, so now I'm gonna show you all how I achieved this look. Okay. Bye guys.